Zoe? Zoe! 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 Zoe. What's your last name again?
Brooks. Did I tell you that I got proposed to the other night on a second date? I mean, it's like the second we turn 30, everybody just becomes obsessed with, will you be my maid of honor? Shut up. We didn't know that you're getting married?
I don't know what I'd do without my best friend there. Chase is gonna be there. It's gonna be fine. It'll be the reunion we all need.
I need another drink.
I just hope she shows up. I think she's still stuck on her ex, Chase, from high school. It's sad. And I don't think she's had a relationship since. Zoe?
Your maid of honor has arrived. I need someone to play my boyfriend at my best friend's wedding.
Hi. Hi, I'm Hugo Hemsworth, Zoe's boy.
Oh, boy. Wow, that's a strong grip.
And jawline.
Down to Quinn and Logan.
Who wants the my set?
You may be seated.
Let's go, Chase!
When did life get so messy? I would kill to go back to PCA.
I'm sure we'd all love to go back.
I just think about all the things I dreamed about in high school, and now I'm here, and it's like, is this it? Is this the dream?
It's really gross how often you talk about high school.
You all went to high school together?